Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download TokenPocket application on your Android phone. To download the TokenPocket app on your Android is super easy. First of all, open up your Google Play Store on your Android device and then in the search box, type in TokenPocket. Once you search for TokenPocket, you will be able to see the app displayed in the search result. Tap open the app and tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your device, which will take a couple of minutes to finish installing. Wait for the download process to complete, and once it is done, tap on open to launch Open TokenPocket for your Android phone. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.